In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on SLP future while talking about the smooth love mixture cost estimate for 2022 and then some, which is genuinely critical. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking. In a real sense, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like smooth love mixture. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive most certainly profound into the smooth love elixir value forecast and answer questions in the event that SLP especially is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will SLP succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will smooth love mixture value rise or drop? We should rapidly by and large toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world in a real sense is on an edge of an undeniable, especially bear market. Bitcoin has especially drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers for the most part are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous certainly play, and consequently the auction in an unobtrusive manner. Our algo still sees a some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is certainly reflected in our 2022 expectations, as opposed to prevalent thinking. At the present time, Bitcoin actually needs to find a truly nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course, or so they thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to basically do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model explicitly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and sort of other greater players in the market to for the most part wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike in a very significant manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each task in a significant manner. Basics that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022 1014 1.55% $0.0034 2022 1015 plus 0.53% $0.0035 2022 1016 plus 4.66% $0.0036 2022 1017, which is genuinely huge, plus 2.79% $0, or so they thought. 2022 1018 1.59% $0.0034 2022 1019, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. 1.32% $0.0034 2022 1020 5.17% $0.0033 2022 1021 plus 0.35% $0.0035 2022 1022 plus 1.17% $0 love mixture value expectation 2022, which is very critical. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We really see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 NAV in a significant way. 19.64% $0.0028 2022 DAC. 33.39% $0.0023 2023 Jan. Incredibly, 17.98% $0.0028 2023 Feb. 12.38% $0.0030 2023 Blemish, plus 0.79% $0.0035 2023 APRA, plus 7.94% $0.0037 2023 May, plus 13.19% $0.0039 2023 June, plus 25.12% $0.0043 2023 Jul, plus 25.97% $0.0043 2023 All, plus 45.62% $0.0050 2023 SAP, plus 53.68% $0.0053 2023 OP, plus 57.50% $0 value forecast 2025, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our expectation model sees SLP coming to $0 2025, or so they thought. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0, which is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Smooth Love Elixir will be fundamentally worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Smooth Love Elixir coming to 2 cents in 2030, or so they generally thought. What Smooth Love Mixture will for the most part be worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees Truly Smooth Love Mixture coming to 4 cents in 2040. Will commonly Smooth Cherish Mixture generally trade, in every way that really matters, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Mixture won't in a real sense supplant or overwhelm BTC, or so they in every practical sense thought. Could Pretty Smooth Cherish Elixir reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Mixture can reach 10 cents, however, just in the separated future. After 2030, which is very critical, can sort of Smooth Love Elixir basically reach $1 or so they thought. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to explicitly reach $1 in the short or midterm period in an unpretentious manner. Can Smooth Love Mixture generally reach $10, which explicitly is very huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Can Pretty Smooth Love Mixture especially reach $100 in an unobtrusive manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Really Smooth Love Elixir to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is Smooth Love Elixir worth purchasing? We really are promoters of modestly unsafe financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with immense potential gain. Thus, in this specific situation, especially Smooth Love Mixture merits purchasing. Is in every practical sense Smooth Love Elixir a wise interest in a kind of significant manner? Smooth Love Mixture is, very much like all sort of other cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe speculation, or so they thought. It really does especially have higher likelihood of going up than down due to the especially great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. How much will Smooth Love Mixture be worth, which especially is very huge? For the fundamentally transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 2 cents or even a lot higher in an unobtrusive manner. For what reason will in every way that really matters Smooth Love Mixture succeed and get more expensive, which especially is genuinely critical? Smooth Love Elixir basically has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Smooth Love Elixir ascending to 2 cents in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects in every practical sense fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most by and large normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the undertaking. Controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration.